Welcome back. Let's make chicken dal curry with Sri Lankan style or Indian style. No, no, no. This is only my style. Okay, let's make it. Slowly slice up your chicken, and this is chicken. I think chicken rice, right, and this garlic and the rice sweets. So do you like these videos? Please subscribe and like, touch your like button. And what if you don't like this? Go ahead, man. You can slice up your chicken thigh or chicken breast, whatever, and add some salt. Put in the garlic chop and the chicken. Yes, good blah, 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 good. Add some salt. I told you. You can subscribe me, okay? Don't you subscribe me? You should. This is a dal. This is a big one. Uh, put in the water the dal before
This is not
3-4 hours cooking,
Indian.
and then add some
This is
salt
a Sri Lankan
and
curry.
turmeric and pepper, what you like. Oh, this is a good one. I like it. Sri Lankan, most Sri Lankan like this.